What up, guys? Back with another video. About to unbox the 60 round American Tactical Gen 2 magazine for y'all today on camera. I'll just show y'all what that looks like. I got some other magazines here. Got a 30 round magazine, two 30 round magazines right here, and the 60 round magazine. About to open it up right now. Grab these scissors. Here we go. Oh, I see something orange. What's that? $60 round magazine. It's compared to a 30 round magazine. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's definitely way thicker.
That's what she said.
Put it in the AR and show y'all what that looks like. It's clear. That's what the 60 round magazine looks like in the AR. Definitely sticks out a lot. Let me show you what the 30 round looks like in there real quick. Definitely a difference. A noticeable difference. 60 round. $30 round. Then I got the ETS color mag. Now I'm just gonna load it up for y'all on camera and make sure it does in fact hold all 60 rounds. Let's go ahead and do that. This is some Federal American Eagle ammo right here. Nothing fancy. One of the only things I could find left recently, actually. So make sure you are stocked up on ammo if you aren't already. You want to be right for when shit goes left. These guns is just some heavy ass sticks if you can't shoot them for real. Yeah, them first 20 rounds went in pretty easy. It's them last 40 rounds where your thumbs gonna hate you. Unless you got a speed loader. Or you might just have mighty thumbs for all I know. You know what I'm saying? But I will be ordering a speed loader pretty soon. Alright, so y'all see me put the scope on the AR. Next, I think I'm gonna get some backup sights. Comment below what y'all think the AR is missing. 20 rounds so far. I did manage to get all 60 rounds in there. After about 20 rounds, it got real hard. So I stopped recording. I didn't want y'all to see how weak I was. Now I'm about to just throw it in the AR and try to chamber a round. See if it does that properly. So there you have it, guys. 60 round magazine. Definitely some Call of Duty type shit. Like the video, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
I got that green in my system and that red in my eyes. GG got
got me feeling uplifted like I'm stuck in the sky. Told her, lend me some wisdom, say she ready to slide. She gon' blow me like Blizzard, then I'm going inside. She bad, say I beat it so